In this video, I'm going to show you the integration I have made with a custom GPT for my Bucketllist application. So here is Bucketllist with a demo account. I build it 100% by prompting, and I use it in my daily life to manage all my tasks and workflows. And I have added a couple of AI integrations, but last weekend I built an integration with a custom GPT. So I set up a custom GPT with an API key to my application, and it allows me to manage all my tasks from within a GPT. Now, why would I do that? I have created it because often I remember I have to add a certain task while I'm driving in a car, and it's easier to use a GPT via the ChatGPT app and speech. I wanted to support speech and let it handle tasks for me. And when I built this, I came up with a lot of more use cases which make this one very interesting. So I can do some easy things like show me all my buckets, because in Bucketllist you create buckets and within buckets you create lists. And now it show me my buckets. Now it's a demo account, I don't have much, so it's pretty short. But I can also ask it which lists are available within the buckets. So it's all natural speech, natural language. And from here I can do a couple of simple things like add a new task to my first list, name it test via GPT. And now it's going to ask me to confirm this action, and it will create the task within the list if everything works out fine. Some other things I can do are asking it about my productivity. So within Bucketllist, you can use Pomodoro timers, but there are also some other analytics that are tracked to help you with your productivity. And you can ask a GPT to analyze it. So first, let's check if this task is added. My first test via GPT. Here it is, test via GPT. And I can also ask it, now schedule this task for today. Before I do that, I go to my today timeline and nothing is here. But when I hit enter, it will schedule the task. Let's ask it another way. Plan the test via GPT task for today. Let's see if this one works. Try again. Can be that he didn't get a right response from the API, but it should be fine, and here it is. So some other things, questions I can do, I can ask it are analyze my productivity based on my Pomodoro timer. And now it will get all the data and give me some feedback. Now, I don't have much tasks, I don't have much Pomodoro timers, but for what I have, he is going to analyze it and give me some suggestions. So that's pretty cool. That's AI in natural language using my data and suggest things. I can also do some bulk creation, so I can ask it create a new bucket with lists and tasks for creating a new website. And now he will the LLM, the logic within ChatGPT will think of a logical name for a bucket, a logical name for lists and emojicons, because I use them, and create tasks. So as you can see, it's talking to Bucketllist a lot, but that means that he is creating stuff. So when we're going to my Bucketllist, I will see website development, I can see testing, I can see planning with a couple of tasks already, design with a couple of tasks. So he is creating a whole project structure from within a GPT. So you can imagine if you have something else that you need to create a project for, you can automate it like this, which is pretty neat. And this also has given me the insight that I will use the UI that I created a lot less, because I can do a lot of things from within a GPT. And that helps me extremely well and is my personal assistant.